Hello all, today we will see how to handle the drop down or the select values, select tags. So for reference, these are the drop downs on web pages, like there are multiple drop downs here, and each drop down has multiple options. So this particular drop down is also called as select tag also. So today we will see how to handle those and how to select the particular value from this particular drop down. And so in my last program I showed you how to log into the particular website. I am going to use the same website which I just showed you. So after this particular program is to log into the that particular website, and I'll use the same program. You can refer my previous video for logging Java 1. So it has details how I use the radio buttons and the but normal buttons to login. So please refer my login video. I'll just mention the link here. Okay, so let's start. I'll use the same program. I'll just copy the login.java. Okay, I'll just copy and I'll paste in the same package. Paste. Here I'll mention how to select. I'll just mention test select. Okay, it will paste it, and if I open this one, here you can see the public class name is automatically changed. So here what I'll do, I'll just remove this one, browser closed. Okay, this statement, extra statement. So I'll just run this particular program, and I'll show. So I'll just run this program and show you how it. Okay, it is running now. I haven't saved, so save now. Okay, so here it launched this website. Now it will fill the username and password. Okay, maximize it, and fill the username and password. Now it's signed in. And it's launched the home page actually after login. So here we just need to select this passenger list, and these are the drop downs. So I'll just show you the passenger list, how to select particular. The one is by default it is selected. Okay, so in our next program we need to select, I'll show you how to select other than one, the default one. So we'll just try to select these three. Okay, so we'll write the program for that. So for that one, what we need here, after this we need to verify the tag actually for this particular drop down. So I'll just right click on this passenger one and I'll inspect it. Okay, I'll just highlight that particular passenger drop down. So here it says it is select tag and name is pass count. So we need to create the XPath for this. You can use the other IDs or name, but for better identification we ideally should use XPath. So I'll just try what should be the XPath for this. So I'll just do once I click here, I just do the Control F, and here backslash forward slashes down to by forward slashes, then the tag name, that is select. So select. Okay, so here you can see there are like 8 select tags there, but we need only specific one. And after select we will write the square brackets closing and starting and closing. Here we need to mention the attribute name. Here attribute name is name, so we will write @name equal to here specific name, that is pass count. Okay, so this is pass count. Here you can see it highlighted the particular select only, the drop down only. So here you can see there is only one match. So this is the correct XPath. Okay, we'll just copy it, and in Eclipse we need to write the new select. We initiate the new select one, select attribute. So we will write the select statement here. So we need to write select, and the select name we can use anything, but here we can do for this one. We will write this only, pass count. Select name should be pass count only. So we can remember it. Here select pass count equal to new select, and in closing and starting and closing round bracket we need to write find element statement, that is driver dir dot find element by dot. We have the XPath, so we will write XPath, and in closing and this bracket round bracket we will write this particular XPath. Okay, so it is written, and here we need to, at the end we need to write semicolon. So we have select enable, but it is giving one error, and it is also, there is one suggestion. If we click on this particular one, it says import the select library. So we are inputting. Once we import, error will be gone. So now we created the select, that is pass count. Here we need to, now if you want to select so here we need to select other than one, that is third one. So if you select it by index, it actually starts with 0. So if you want to select 3, then we need to write index as 2. So there are multiple options. First we will go through check the index. Okay, so here we need to write the select name, that is pass count, and then dot select. We will write select. It will give the suggestions. Select by index. So if you, here you can see it has index value and visible text. First we will select index, then we want to select the 3, so we will write the index as 2, and let's see, I'll save the program and I'll just run the program. Let's see whether it is selecting 3 or not. So it launched the website. It is launching the website. Sorry. It launched the Chrome actually, and now it is launching the website. Yeah, it launched, and now it will maximize it, and then fill the credentials and sign in. Okay, so it signed in. It will be very quick. Just observe that particular drop down. So here 1 is selected. Once it is website is stable, it will select 3. So passenger 3 is selected. Okay, so 3 is selected. Okay, now we'll try. After 3 we need to select it by we'll try other option, that is pass count dot select by value. We'll see. Okay, we'll just try. We need to verify the tag also, whether it is actual value or it's just text. So here by value will be, it should be in double quote, and we need to select 4 here. So what after running the program, what it will does, it will first select 3 and then 4 here. Here we are writing the value, that's why it is selecting the it will select the exact value, not the next value. In previous one we gave the index, so because of that it selected 3. So I'll just save it and I'll run it again. It is launching the website. It is slow actually, not sure why. So it launched the website. and it also logged in. Here you need to verify the passenger. It was very quick. Actually it was selected 3 first and then again immediately selected 4 here. So these are the options: select by index and select by value. There is one more option, you can try also that also. Okay, so now after this selecting, now I showed you how to select the particular value in that particular drop down. Okay, so here we need to do like first create the select object, and then find the respective element for that particular drop down, and then by using that select name you can use the select by index or select by value, and there is one more, select by name, to select the particular drop down. So I'll just after this I'll show you how to list down all the options for that particular drop down. So what I'll do, for that we need the list. Okay, so we need to create the list attribute or object. So we need to write list, and for the list we need to in less than and equal to sign, less than and the greater than sign, we need to write web element here and give the list name. So what I'll do, I'll just use the same name, and at the end I'll just write pass count list. Okay, and then in list we need to write after equal to sign, we need to write this particular state select name, that is pass count dot. Here we need to select get options. So what it will done, it will get all the options from that particular select, and it will create that particular list with all the options. Okay, so I'll just write here, and here it gave one suggestion and error also. So we need to click on it and we need to import the web element. Again there is one more error, so I'll just click on it and it is giving one error and suggestion also. So I'll just import the respective. Okay, there is one more option actually. Actually we imported the wrong library for list. So we need to import for list one, we need to import this java.util. We imported java.awt. So I'll just remove this java.awt list library. I'll import this java util. Okay, so now error is gone. So we just created the list, and if you want to print the number of options in that particular select statement, we need just to write this okay, println statement sys out, and I'll just write total options are, and after the double quote, I'll write plus sign, and then I'll just write this particular statement. Okay, so I'll just write the list name, that is pass count. I'll just copy paste dot, sorry, it should be size. Okay, so it's size. So what it will does, it will print the statement, number of options there. And if you want to print all the options, I'll just write for that we need the for loop. For we need to initialize one of the variable, that is I'll write I semicolon, I is less than, I'll write less than because it's that particular index starts with 0 for list also. So I'll write less than, and I'll we need the size of that particular list. So I'll just copy this particular code, that is pass count list dot size, and paste it here. So it will what it will does, it will fetch this list size, and we are comparing that with the variable, and at the end we will write I plus plus, and in under for loop, under curly brackets, we will write system sysout, that is println statement, and I'll write here we need to write this particular list name. We can directly print the option here. Then here we need to write get statement, that is index. In index we need to write that variable, that is I, and at the end we need to write after that we need dot, and here we need to select this get text. What it will does, it will go to that particular index of that list, and it will get the text from that particular location. So I'll just write get text, and I'll just save it. Okay, and 1 minute, there is one error. Okay, here we need to, I forgot to initialize the variable. I'll write 0 here. Okay, now error is gone. I'll just run the program. So it will select the particular value from the drop down. Then we write the next code, right? So it will select number of options in that particular drop down, and at the end it will actually write, or it will display all the options present in that particular drop down. Okay, so let's see whether it works or not. Wait, yeah, it is logging in. Now it will select 3 first and then 4, as we written that before in the code. It will be very quick, so pay attention. Okay, so it selected 3 and then 4. Okay, and we'll just go to the our program, and in the console we'll just see what it. Okay, so it logged in, then it displayed the heading of the page, and here it is writing the total options are 4, as it was 4 here. Okay, so yeah, so okay, so in this system println statement, it is showing the pass count size, that count here, and in this for loop it is printing this 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so this is how we can deal with the select statement or the drop downs. It is very easy, so do remember, and you can try this at your end also. So thanks a lot, and please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, thank you.